So much sunshine across the Brazos Valley today. This is the satellite picture coupled with radar, but of course there's nothing to show on radar outside of maybe some sprinkles out in the Gulf. And you'd have to look really closely to see any of those small clouds that were right along the coast earlier today, and those have basically been fading away. So lots of sun, and we're expecting that to be a repeat over the next couple of days. Now, as for the remainder of this evening, we still have some heat alerts to talk about. Our northern counties here along Highway 79, and it's an excessive heat warning for a heat index potentially upwards of that 110 mark, and then a heat index perhaps in the 106 to 108 range for the rest of us, where the heat advisory resides. Now, some of this could change tomorrow, and maybe we'll see an extension of heat advisories and excessive heat warnings, but this map may look a little different as we head into tomorrow. But either way, we're probably going to see some form of heat alerts continue across the area, as we are expecting temperatures to remain in the hundreds for at least the next few days, if not the next week. And we will continue to have these mostly sunny conditions around for Thursday and Friday with a southerly wind and temperatures around 101 to 102. Then 100 on Saturday, not quite the 90s, but it will be close, and maybe a brief thunderstorm in the area as we'll attempt to have a small weak frontal boundary of sorts push into the region. That's why you're seeing these northerly winds here at 10 miles per hour, and it may be enough to instigate a thunderstorm or two. But that's going to have to wait, because for the rest of this evening and into tomorrow, we're looking at, again, plenty of sunshine all across the state for that matter, with just a couple clouds in play. And it's mainly going to be the same for Friday. You'll notice that some rain by Friday could be up into Arkansas and Oklahoma, but Texas by and large is going to be remaining very sunny and rain-free for the next little bit, and it may take until Saturday for that to change. So the wind speeds this evening will continue to be out of the south at about 11 to 14 miles per hour, a little bit lighter as you head up towards the north. And then going into tomorrow, a southerly and maybe even southwesterly breeze here. Not as strong though, just a 5 to 8 mile per hour breeze as we head through tomorrow afternoon. Let's look at those lows for tonight, which will be on the warm side. No surprise, 79 degrees there for Bryan College Station, a low of 81 possible in Rockdale. But it does look like most locations will be about 78 to 79 degrees. Then we get into tomorrow with roughly 101 to 102, and could even see maybe 100 degrees out there towards I-45, but we will be in the low 100s for tomorrow, and probably that way on Friday as well, with Friday being 102 and still plenty of sunshine. And there is that small chance of some thunderstorm activity on Saturday and perhaps Sunday as well, and it's just a 20% chance at this point. Very isolated if we do see anything. 102 for 3 straight days. We got Sunday, Monday, Tuesday there as well, and then 101 to 102 as we go into parts of next week. So basically the outlook is that temperatures will stay in the low 100s for the time being.